Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Battlefield 6 connection failed with the error code 186101S, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that annoying error in your Battlefield 6. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for Cloudflare Warp. You're going to go into Cloudflare Warp here, download this software up and just install it. And once you're done installing it, you're just going to open it up. And then you're going to go into this settings icon. Make sure it is set to 1.1.1.1 with warp and then connect it. And after that, you're going to open up the platform where you have the game on. So I have it on Steam. I'm going to open Steam up. And now you're just going to go into Battlefield 6. And now you can play Battlefield 6 and you won't get that error anymore with Cloudflare Warp connected. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.